you get this launch error on any game with a message you say please close WinIO before starting the game, other people read it as please close Win10 before starting the game, but it's actually WinIO. Now I'll guide you on how to resolve this problem, so make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. Now I do get this message you say please close WinIO before starting the game. Now this error occurs on easy anti-cheat EAC protected games like Fortnite Battle Royale, Rust, Apex Legends, Squad, and others. The problem is these games, they mistakenly flag the driver WinIO as a software that can be used to cheat in games, which isn't true. Now to resolve this issue is very easy. Make sure to follow these instructions here very carefully. Now start by closing the game completely. Make sure it's not running in the task manager. So close the game first. Go to your task manager and ensure that the game is not running anymore. If it's running, just make sure to end it. So right here, task manager, open this task manager applications. Now, after opening the task manager, look for your game. So whether it's Apex Legends, Fortnite Battle Royale, or just any game which is facing this error. So make sure to end this task here. After ending this task, and make sure the game is closed completely. Now just open command prompt as administrator. Now come here to the search and write CMD. So I'll type here CMD and make sure to run it as administrator. You can just come here or right click on it, then select here run as administrator, or just directly select it from here, which is run as administrator. So I'll select here run as administrator. It will open like this. Now start by copying this query here. As you can see here, these commands here. Don't worry, these commands will be available on the description so that you can copy it easily. So just copy this command, which will be available on the description of this video. After copying it, come here to command prompt and then just make sure to paste it as ctrl plus v. So I'll paste it like this. Now after pasting it, since I don't have this software, that's why it tells me the specified service does not exist as an installed service. So I have already removed this software here, but for you, it will not tell you like this. It just tell you some message here. So make sure to paste this command exactly as it is written here. And then after pasting this, then click enter. After clicking enter, then proceed by pasting this again. So we'll just copy this SC stop WinIO 64. So come here again and make sure to paste it by ctrl plus v again. Now this will stop the WinIO 64 program on your PC. This stops the WinIO driver from running and the issue should just be resolved. So after that, to relaunch your game, it should now start without the error. For me, I don't have this software. I have removed it. That's why I'm not facing this problem. But for you, since you face this error, which say please close WinIO before starting the game, you'll have to follow these instructions very carefully. One by one, just make sure to run these commands and the problem should be resolved on your PC.